Hello, hello! Welcome back to another Legacy video. My name is Chris, and today we're going to be introducing the new 2020 Maverick 4x8 CNC system. Now, pardon the noise, as you can see, we're in our manufacturing facility where we design and manufacture not only the Maverick, but the Renegade CNC systems right here in the USA. Now, throughout this video, we're going to be covering a few features, and you'll be able to find more details on those features in separate videos on our website. To kick things off, we're going to go over the new exciting features that are included with this new machine. The first on the list is auto tool change. Naturally, that means we're going to go over how we can pick up and put away the tools automatically. We've also incorporated an auto dust extraction that opens and closes during the auto tool change procedure. This machine now includes a 6 horsepower spindle that can go up to a 24,000 RPM spindle speed. Now, if you combine all three of those features, that's going to greatly increase your productivity. Not to mention, it's pretty awesome to be able to start a program, walk away to perform other tasks, and come back to see a finished part. Now, you'll be able to find more details on an upcoming video about this auto tool change feature. Our next exciting feature is our brand new CNC Controller. Now, we've designed this specifically for our legacy platforms to simplify the setup procedures and reduce the risk for any operator errors. This also increases your quality of cut and reduces your cut time. All this together obviously improves your productivity. So keep an eye out for a video that will go into details on this brand new CNC controller. So in addition to the awesome new features like the controller and the auto tool change, we've also completely redesigned the entire machine. Starting off, we've increased your work area, but also kept the entire footprint of the machine compact. And even though we've increased the horsepower of the spindle, the machine still runs off of a 220 single-phase power source, which is perfect for small shop environments. The new frame design is extremely rigid, and the new drive system is extremely precise. By combining both, it provides you with the best cut quality. That, and it also reduces your maintenance. We've also added a fully integrated vacuum system that simplifies the setup and fixturing to process sheet goods. Obviously, all of Legacy's standard features that set us apart are included with this system. The 3 workstations, they involve the 3-axis horizontal table to work on the face of your components, even for sheet good and part processing. The 3+2-axis vertical table to work on the ends or edges of your components to produce joinery. And Legacy's exclusive 3+2-axis turning center to index, turn, and even carve your spindles. Now, Legacy will also provide our exclusive conversational cam turning software specifically for this workstation. Let's not forget the Smart Tool measuring technology and Legacy's unmatched training and support. Now remember, you can visit our website to watch detailed videos about these exciting new features. You can also find machine information and even product specs. Just visit the website right over there. Now don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and check the little notification box. And as always, thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next video.